My name is Kilindi. I'm from Detroit, and you know that's not the bastion of psychedelia, but I think probably Oakland, San Francisco area is moving forward in brave new ways, and I think you all need to give yourselves a hand for going the extra mile and putting in the legislation and things like that. That has become like the standard, you know, because everybody is parroting, you know, what you all have done. You know, I think everybody's just took what you all wrote and stuck their name on it. I know we are in Detroit, Ann Arbor, and the state of Michigan, and everywhere that's adopting the same type of legislation to decriminalize nature and plants and the things that are really going to bring us out of the difficulties that we're in as far as the world is concerned, because this is, you know, we need to be more inclusive with one another. We need to be better to one another, and you know, the psychedelics, entheogens, hallucinogens bring about that type of sensibility, because it actually grew the 1960s, you know, with they say the counterculture. It was actually just building culture from a warmongering culture that was going on, and it brought out some of the finer sensibilities of the human in the 1960s, you know, with the Summer of Love, and you know, moving out of the 50s and the 60s when, you know, Gordon Wasson went down to Oaxaca with Maria Sabina and Timothy Leary, and getting LSD and mushrooms out into the public domain, which created a whole different type of lifestyle and energy that hadn't been seen before in modern times. Because, you know, before that, you know, before LSD and mushrooms in the 60s and things like that, nobody cared anything about trees, or, you know, you get a tree, what do? You cut it down, make a desk, or, you know, put planks on the walkway or something like that. But once LSD and mushrooms and other things got into the general public, people started to understand that trees are living things, not just something that we use, but they have their own type of consciousness, they have their own type of knowledge.